Imagine your business is a garden and cash flow is the sunlight feeding your plants. Return on invested capital, ROIC, is the quality of soil, determining how efficiently your garden grows. The better the soil, the more sunlight is converted into robust plant growth. That's cash flow. Now the cost of capital is like the price you pay for your gardening tools. The less you spend on tools, lower cost of capital, the more you get to keep from your harvest. Here's the catch. If your garden is lush, high cash flow, and your tools are affordable, low cost of capital, your garden's overall value skyrockets. It's a harmonious dance between efficient growth, ROIC, abundant sunlight, revenue growth, savvy spending, low cost of capital, and a bountiful harvest, increased company value. In the business world, value sprouts from this dynamic interplay. As we wrap up, remember in the business garden, profitable growth, ROIC, abundant sunlight, revenue growth, and prudent spending, low cost of capital, create lasting value. Just like a well-tended garden yields a bountiful harvest, a strategic business approach can lead to increased company value. If you found this journey insightful, don't forget to like, share, and spread the wisdom. For more valuable content, stay tuned and follow Raising Investor IQ. Thank you for exploring these fundamental concepts with us. Happy cultivating in your business journey. Raise your investor IQ with cutting-edge info, insight, and analysis. Visit and subscribe for free at the link below.